But this is Plus Trading. Hope you're doing well. And I'm kind of sick, so I'm sorry if I, yeah, like that. If I cough or whatever, I'm real sorry. I will try to turn my head before I do it. Yeah. So let's go through the trade I had yesterday. You know what? 3, 2, 1, boom. Photoshop picture right there. Screenshot. Boom. Yeah. So I was at the gym. I pulled out my phone. I saw it, and I posted. I said, "NQ looking strong." Not gonna lie, cause I'm like that, cause we have this accumulation range, right? And long session, so this white box long session, boom, we're on the sell side liquidity once. And after a long session, we form this long session sell side liquidity, time-based liquidity. Okay, very important. Boom, we run it again. So this 1 hour BC is dead, and see how the candles like. I don't have. Wait, let me just put a fib on it. I think it's like around 50%, but I don't know. Let's see. Just slightly below it. How about like this? Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. So after I see all the sell side liquidity run, I'm bullish. And let's take a look at the 15-second chart. And after that, you see the price starts reverse and leaving us this 2 busy behind. And you see we also have this breaker. And boom, let's go down to a lower time frame. Boom. And you see 9:30 market open, the opening range is like shit, we just chopped around. And this like, okay, this is 10-1, not exactly 10, but however, the market opens, chops around, drives the price down to the 15-minute bullish breaker, and was also the BC, remember? And this is also the order block, right? Here, right? So, as I said, I'm bullish, looking for entries. I waited, and I waited, because I called after this. I called this price run because we tapped into the breaker, right? The 15-minute breaker, and we also run all this sell side liquidity, and we also filled in this regular trading hour gap. You'll see. Just look at the bodies, right? We filled in this regular trading hour gap and all that. So I said the price should reverse from here, or it could reverse from here, and it did, but sadly it did not deliver me any good entries. As you can see on the 1 minute, yes, the price goes up, but you see, oh, this just weeks and weeks and weeks. It's not the type of markets I want to be in, and the price come down here again, stopped at the concourse encroachment. Oops. And you see how the market is accumulating again at the 50%, and boom, this candle runs the equal low again from the turtle soup, right? But the thing is, why didn't I entry on this, let's say this BC? Why not? Because you see, this is the 1 minute. The price only wicked through the equal low, right? Now let's take a look at 30 seconds. Boom, 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 boom. Here. It also only just wick through it. Okay? And 15 seconds. Boom. Also only wick through it. Yes, we have this, let's call this a breakaway gap, this is the measuring gap, right? And it won't be triggered anyway, right? But more important is we only wicked through it by like one hand or some. Wait, what can I measure? The fuck? The fuck? Yeah, it was like one handle. It's nothing. I want to see the price close above, close below it. It didn't happen. So even though there's my breakaway gap and measuring gap, I did not enter on this. I entered on this. I waited and I saw this. So the price accumulating again, right? We round the. I think this one looks better on the 30 seconds, but you get the idea. The price accumulates. What the fuck's wrong with my keyboard? Okay, now. So sorry. Yeah, I really want knees, but the price accumulates. We run the low again from turtle soup. So the same model, right? And now what do we have here? Oh, it's nice, huh? Accumulate, equal low, sell side liquidity, run there, reverse, breakaway gap, measuring gap, entered here, stop loss here, boom. But it was break even, but simply because the way I managed my trades, I threw my stop loss fast and kind of too aggressive, because I only, like, as you can see, the price did well, right? It runs a lot, like, I don't know, maybe 100 ticks. How much is this? What the fuck is wrong with my keyboard, man? Like, yeah, like 50 handles, and you know, it's decent, it's nice. I was aiming for this, even above it. I was using the boom. I was aiming at the 4 standard deviation. So all my profit target, all my sell limit would get hit. It would be a really nice trade. It would be a home run trade. But the thing is, I showed my stop loss too fast, but I don't regret it because I have like just enough bad experience. Because the way I when my entry at, yeah, it's like exactly on the point of changing state of delivery. So often we have this price comes down to it, tags me in, reverse, right? And boom, it just drops. And that happens often because there's a lack of higher time frame context. So the price will have a small reaction on the lower time frame, but because higher the time frame is, stronger the draw is, right? So it will just ignore the lower time frame, fair value gap, all the blocks or whatever, to reach the higher time frame drawn liquidity. Yeah. So, and also you see This is like very, very small details. I got in here, right? And normally, if it's a good trade, when the price start to reverse after it takes me in, I would want to see it. I would want to see it. How do I say this? I would want to see it be strong. So I would want to see the price close above the closest swing high before. So this run tapped me in, and I would want to see the price start to reverse like that immediately and be strong and close above it with the bodies. It did not happen, and with that you can also see how the price is chopped here around a little bit, and also this candle just came down here to this order block to this order block essentially, and yes, stop me out. You know what? I will just stop yapping and show you the execution. Yeah, hope you're doing well. We don't have much news this week. Still in a risk on condition. Yeah, just hope you're doing well. Good luck and good trading, guys. Enjoy.